Parkchester is known to many in the Bronx for its iconic terracotta sculptures, architecture, access to nature, and most importantly, for being the largest privately owned affordable housing property in the country. The Historic Districts Council, along with the Parkchester Project, held a walking tour to highlight the history and beauty of Parkchester and the importance of preserving it.
We were taking everyone through the history from Hugh Grant's Circle to the inception and creation of Parkchester and through the artists, and we walked them straight up to the fountain to end with Raymond Granville Barger's work.
We are working together with the Parkchester Project to highlight the historic beauty of this neighborhood, and we are fortunate to find someone like Sharon who is so passionate about it.
The tour highlighted the artists behind many of the sculptures seen in the community and explored the history of Parkchester's unique architecture, like the Old Lowe's American Theater, which closed back in 2013.
Old Lowe's American Movie Theater is now a Marshall's department store, but it's kind of a link to the past and kind of an outdoor history museum.
The Historic Districts Council, along with other organizations, started a campaign urging the Landmarks Preservation Commission to give landmark status to Parkchester. A historical designation would be led by community volunteers and can ultimately protect the iconic terracotta sculptures adorning the buildings, some of which have already been removed and destroyed by ongoing construction in the community.
There are so many aspects of the history of this neighborhood that are being threatened by ongoing work that some construction companies are doing. So landmark status would protect all the historic features of this neighborhood, including the sculptures.
This, out of all the MetLife developments in New York City, is the one with the most art and the most terracotta art. So yes, there's like some flat panels, but we also have massive sculptures. Those sculptures are unique and the only one of the MetLife developments to have it.
To stay up to date with the Parkchester Project and find out more about future tours, visit the Parkchester Project on Instagram. And to learn more about the Historic Districts Council, visit hdc.org. Reporting for BronxNet, Sonyi Lopez.